Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Firefox browser privacy settings. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Firefox browsing privacy settings. So today, the first thing you need to do is open up your Firefox. After open up your Firefox, click on the three horizontal line on the top right here. After clicking that, just go down right here until you see settings, and then click on settings. And once you're here settings, click on privacy and security. Now you are here at the browser privacy. So right now you can choose which browser privacy that you want. You can choose standard. This means balance for protection. The front page will load normally. Firefox blocks the following: social media tracker, cross-site cookies in all windows, tracking content in private windows, crypto miners, fingerprinters. And there you go. So on and strict. This one is a little bit like a medium, so it's more a little bit protective than the usual. So yeah, so those are the browser privacy protection option. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also choose or customize your own privacy by just clicking the manage exceptions. So you can specify which website have enhanced tracking protected turn off. So with what that means, for example, we're gonna add a website here like Messenger. So they're not gonna add a tracking protection on your Messenger. There you go. And you can also customize which tracker to block right here. As you see in the bottom section right here. There you go. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. And for me, I like to stay with the standard. But if I'm trying to be more protective, I'll just go for the strict and then just manage right here. Manage the sites that I want that don't need a protection. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.